Hello guys, WTF Gaming here, and today I'm gonna show you the perfect way, my way to clean the iPhone 6. Yes, this is mine. Gold. I got mine. I got mine when it got released. Yes, I tried to be in first in line, but I got in second. So let's get started. So these are the two things you'll need. Paper towel or paper to clean your ass. And you'll need a spray bottle. Yep, it's a spray bottle. Those are the only two things you'll need. Not these. These are my to get beautiful things. Swag. Okay. So let's go. Step 1. Spray the iPhone. Step 2. Get a piece of paper towel or the things people wipe their ass. We're gonna place it right there. If it doesn't spray all the clear away, we're gonna use this again and spray it. This might take too long, so I'll skip. Okay, it's sprayed all the way. We're gonna wait for 1 minute or 5 minutes. Is your choice to dry. I'm gonna skip the video. Step 2. Grab paper towels or the thing people wipe their ass and put two pieces of paper towel on top and just tap it until it dries. Yep. Okay. Step 3. Step 3. Get the paper towels off. Drum roll. Oop. Wow. Look at it. Looks like new, guys. Yep. Yep, looks like new. If you guys want to see how to clean the back of your iPhone 6, click on the description below. Get it? Below.